Hello guys, my name is Sanvi Singh and you are watching my channel Techie Kid Sanvi. Techie Kid Sanvi happily welcomes you to the HTML series of my channel. So let's get started and we'll learn HTML from the basics. In this series, what you'll able to learn is web page designing. Dear friends, get ready for fun. Let's celebrate the season with activity which will electrify our brains and we'll learn too. So, in this series, what you will be able to do is as follows: basics of HTML, creating, opening, and editing web pages, tags and attributes, formatting, line breaks and comment tag, adding images, attributes of body, img tag, attributes of hr and font tag, attributes of h1 and p tag, introduction to lists, introduction to css, introduction to forms, and creating a hyperlink. So let's make most of this season a happy learning. Then the dummy website which I'll show you will be my school, which will be created for explanation during the session. Learning outcome: after watching my session or the videos, you will be able to create a website with at least 2 pages covering all the topics taught on any one of the given topic of your choice, or choose any of the topic from the given list. You can choose any of the topic from the given list or you can choose it on yourself. My personal website, my role model, my country, health and hygiene. So let's get started with the explanation. Day 1: content and pointers for HTML basics. Language is a way to communicate. In computer, we also use various languages to communicate. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language, as you can see, H, we have here H, we also have here HT, then we have here M, and then we'll have. So HTML, it is used to create web pages. A web page is generally a single HTML document which includes text, graphics, audios, videos, pages, graphics, and links. A website. Now, what is a website? We know that a web page is a generally single HTML document. What is a website then? It is a collection of interrelated web pages. When we interrelate the web pages with each other, it creates a website. For example, this is a website of my school. To open a website, we need web browser. So you do not need to open the web browser I have specified. You can use any of the web browser you are available with. Now we will see the features of HTML. It is very easy to understand. Coding can be done on Notepad and viewed on any available web browser. Terms associated with HTML: tags and attributes. Now tags. Tags are the HTML command. There are two types of tags: container tag, which needs to be closed, and empty tag, which need to be closed. In my other videos, you will be able to understand it more carefully and closely. Attributes are the properties of tag. They are the properties. Rules for writing an HTML code. Now the rules are: HTML tags are predefined. They are predefined and are not case sensitive. Now we can write them in capital as well as in small letters. It does not mean all HTML tags are typed inside the angular brackets. These are the angular brackets which are used to write an HTML command, and the tag is to be given. No space is given between angular bracket and the tag. We should not give any space. Content is written between opening and closing tag. The opening tag are written within the less than and greater than sign. Now this is a, like when we started, it is a tag. This is a tag. So when we add them, like this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. So as we learned in earlier, that container tag needs to be closed. So it is a container tag which needs to be closed. Now if you want to close the tag, what you need to do? You have to write the angular bracket sign, and with a forward slash. You have to add a slash to make it end. Attributes are additional information or properties in the opening tags. They are attributes or additional information. It comes in the name value pairs like name value, for example font size is equals to, so this is the attribute. Now if you want to write and open an HTML page, they are as follows. Open Notepad or Notepad++ and write the code in Notepad or Notepad++. Save the code in the appropriate file name when you are done with your coding. Now will make you understand that when you are done with your coding, you have to save it by the extension .html. By default, it becomes any document on which you are doing Notepad or Notepad++, but you have to save it like my school.html. It is my example. So if you take my school or my hygiene, so my hygiene.html or the title you want. Then you have to open any of the web browser, then open the file location or the file path and then click on the Google Chrome icon document. When you save it as .html extension, the Chrome like icon will appear on the file. Then you have to click on that and you will be able to see your web page. Now basic HTML tags. The basic HTML tags are as follows. HTML, which shows that the given is an HTML page or a document. Head gives the essential information about the page. Title gives title to the page. Body contain all the other text, tags, images, audios, videos, tables and lists, etc. Now the first code which I have written and saved it .html is this. Now like you have seen that I have write this, like I have write .html as they could be known that it is an HTML document. Then a head, then title, then I closed my head, then I closed my body, then I wrote my body. I have started my body here, I'm sorry, and this is my body which I have made here, and then I closed my body and then I closed my HTML document. So we are using 4 basic tags here. It means that there are 4 tags: head, HTML, title, head, HTML, head, title, body. These are the 4 tags which we are done. Now here is the output of the code which we wrote on Notepad or Notepad++. Now the body has came here and it in the head where we wrote the title has come here and the file location has come here. So guys, that's it for my video. If you like my video, you can like it, share it and subscribe to my channel and comment to my videos too. Bye bye.